Hello everyone, this is Dr. Shawn Pourgol. I'm an osteopath, and today I want to speak with you how manual osteopathic care can help prevent coronavirus infection. Before I get into that, I have to mention that this is my personal opinion, and it's not the official opinion of my schools and clinics. Additionally, if you are suffering from an infectious disease or coronavirus, you must go under medical care. Manual osteopathy does not replace medical care, and you must be under medical care for infection diseases. Medical care is the number one type of choice for patients who suffer from any type of infection diseases, as medical care does wonders in treating infectious diseases. Having said that, additionally, one more thing, there have not been any research that manual osteopathy indeed helps with coronavirus or not, because coronavirus is a new infection, new type of infection, so we have no idea. Maybe in future we will know, but as of this moment there is no research done on this. However, over 100 years ago there was a pandemic flu going around the world, which was really bad, one of the worst in human history. Over 20 million people died because of this. However, it was found that those people who had osteopathic and chiropractic treatments, they did not pass away and they did not die. At that moment, they didn't know why, what was the reason behind it. Later on, and research shows what happened and what are the reasons, which I am going to discuss with you here. The top 4 reasons why those people who receive manual osteopathic care did not pass away by that pandemic flu that happened around the world over 100 years ago. These researchers, by the way, this research that I speak about, you can find them online. I have a Facebook page called Osteopathy Related Science and Research. I posted this research there. These research have been done by many different manual osteopaths as well as osteopathic physicians. They've been published in American Osteopathic Association journals and other journals. The link is there. You can go read it and find out more in detail information. I just want to give you some general ideas. I'm not going to specifically go over each research. You can do that on your own. In my personal opinion, there are 4 ways why manual osteopathy helps with infectious diseases. That is basically through improving the immune system. How it does that is through doing different things. It is known scientifically that manual osteopathy improves immune system. Number one way that manual osteopathy can help with coronavirus and other infectious diseases is because it improves white blood cells. Research shows people who receive manual osteopathic care, they have improved markers of immune systems, and their white blood cells work better, and they have increased number of white blood cells. How this happens, nobody knows for sure, but there are 2 types of techniques: the rib osteoarticular techniques, upper thoracic and mid thoracic osteoarticular techniques, as well as some visceral manipulation on the lung and diaphragm and so on. They help improve the white blood cell in the body, improve the immune system markers inside the body. This has been proven without a doubt through research. The second reason that why manual osteopathy might help is that it improves blood flow. Blood flow, when there is a better, more efficient flow of the blood with it brings a lot of things that will help with inflammation and other things that immune system does its job. So when you improve the blood system, you bring more healing factors to the areas that are infected. So by improving blood system, patient's immune system also improves. This is done. This is to the point that some surgeons, there was a research done, cardiac surgeons, the ones who do surgery for the heart, recommend in Europe and US for patients before going to heart surgery to have some manual osteopathic care done on their ribs and thoracic area, because research shows those patients who receive manual osteopathic care before surgery, they heal faster. So this is another reason that manual osteopathy improve improve immune system. Number 3 is that research shows manual osteopathic care done on the ribs and upper thoracic area and the mid-thoracic area improve oxygen flow in the body. When the ribs, visceral manipulation, for example, done on the diaphragm, ribs, when you do osteoarticular techniques and you move them, when they work better, they take more oxygen. Lungs can expand more, diaphragm can move more, and more oxygen can come inside the body. With oxygen, the body functions better. All body needs oxygen to function, and from brain to lungs to everywhere else. And when you improve oxygen flow, even athletes do better. So it's shown that the manual osteopathic care improves athletic performance, for example, as well. So improved oxygen flow has an indirect relationship to immune system, and immune system functions better. So by doing manual osteopathic care, you allow the lungs to bring in more oxygen. Number 4, why manual osteopathy may help in preventing coronavirus or help people who are infected to recover faster is because manual osteopathy research has shown that it works systematically to reduce stress and chronic inflammation in the body, because it causes production of a number of hormones, endorphin, dopamine, oxytocin, and other hormones that make people feel better and decrease their pain, and also improve the general wellness of the patient, the general well-being of the patient. So the patient feels better and feels less stressed. I have founded a set of techniques called Dr. Pourgol's Osteopathy Wellness Protocols that is basically osteopathy is highly pleasurable. If you like massage, you would love manual osteopathy. It is amazing, and it helps people feel relaxed. People who are under stress, they have a lot of tension in themselves. After they receive 1 hour of manual osteopathic care, they feel a lot better. And it has been shown through research that when you have chronic stress, your immune system is lower. When you remove stress, you feel better, your immune system functions better. Stress shuts down immune system. And it has shown a lot that people who are stressed, they get sick more often. The stress these days is one of the #1 killer of the people in the world. So by these 4 things, improve number of white blood cells and immune system markers, by increased oxygen absorption, bringing oxygen to the body, by improving the blood flow, and by production of hormones that make people feel better, manual osteopathy has been scientifically shown to improve the immune system, make people feel better. So will that help with coronavirus? Nobody knows, but it is always a safe bet to improve your immune system, not just for this, for many other things. It fights, your immune system fights cancer and does so many things. So it is always better. Myself, my family, my relatives, my staff, we all get everyday manual osteopathic care, but you should at the least get 1 hour of manual osteopathic care every week. I am the founder and president of Osteopathic Chronic Pain Clinics of Canada. I founded in September 2017. We had 1 clinic in Toronto, and now we have 329 clinics in 30 countries, in most Canadian provinces. In the US, we have in Idaho, in Washington, in California, Texas, Memphis, Dallas, New York, and other locations. And we have in many other countries as well, that you can find a manual osteopath near you. Go for an hour of osteopathic wellness once a week. That makes you feel very good. We have a 97% patient loyalty rate in Canada, meaning of 100 people who see a manual osteopath, 97% stay with that osteopath with that manual osteopath for life, because manual osteopathy does amazing things for chronic pain, but this is not for chronic pain, but they also offer amazing wellness care, and this wellness protocol has been shown to prevent injury, to make people feel better, to help them live longer, because they become more flexible. There is a lot less chance of disability in the old age for them, but also they get an improved immune system. People who have regular manual osteopathic care get sick less often than other people. It is in these days and age, it is the best thing that you can do for yourself. Go get 1 hour of osteopathic session. Give it a try. If you are in Toronto and don't want to pay for osteopathic treatment fees, which ranges in Canada between $80 to $140, you can come to our school. We have a school, the National Academy of Osteopathy at York University Heights in Toronto. We have a teaching clinic there. Our interns provide hour-long manual osteopathic care. You can get treatment free of charge. They're usually booked for a few weeks in advance, but you can get treatment if you persist, and you can come and try it if you don't have the money to pay for the osteopathic care. But if you do, please do. Your life may depend on that. This is one of the best advice I can give to you. Try it and see how it feels. Over 100 years ago, it saved countless number of people's lives, and it is just amazing, and it's very simple, it's pleasurable. Our techniques are not painful at all. We don't use high velocity, low amplitude manipulative techniques, the one that cause crack. We don't use fast techniques. Our techniques are gentle, rhythmic, very relaxing, a lot more pleasurable than massage, and I highly recommend for you to get one. You can visit our clinic website, osteopathypainclinics.com, and in the location page you can find the names and addresses of our clinics there, and this is what I recommend to you. Again, if you suffer from any fever or any infectious disease signs and symptoms, please go see your family doctor. We do not provide medical care. Our care is something to help you feel better and improve your immune system, but you need medical care if you have any type of infectious diseases. I hope you never get any type of infectious diseases. I hope you never get coronavirus. And I hope you always remain healthy. And manual osteopathy is one way to improve your wellness, to make you feel better, to reduce your stress, to increase production of feel-good hormones in your body, to make your body breathe better, and to improve your white blood cells. Have a nice day. I hope you found this video helpful. Take care. Namaste.